everybody, and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I install these super cute box braids. I've been wearing them for about a week now, and they're still super fresh, as you guys can see. But yeah, I also wanted to show you in this video how I braid my hair around my edges, and one of the techniques that I use to ensure there's not a lot of tension around my edges. I created a video like this about a few years ago. I can't remember exactly when, but I showed you guys that technique. But I kind of wanted to do an updated video to kind of show you guys that I still use this technique and it still works and it's amazing. So if you guys would like to see this video, continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, honey, and hit the notification bell so every time you get that notification, you will get updates. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I'm going to be using the Easy Braid Professional braiding hair in the color T1B 900, and I just love how this hair is silky smooth and it tapers off naturally. So I'm starting to show you guys in the front. I just use small box sections, and I start by using the anti-breakage conditioner from Carol's Daughter, and then I add my shea butter mixture to seal in the moisture. And then I add the Shine and Jam to my roots and my ends to tame the frizz. It's up to you how thick or thin you want your braids to be, but I separate the hair into two sections and then I start to braid.
I just like the sound of it.
So whenever I'm braiding or twisting around or on my edges, I always take a duckbill clip and I clip it to the current braid and a surrounding braid to help ease the tension when I'm braiding down. A lot of times when I braid down without the duckbill clip, I always feel like a little tug or snag, and that's just unnecessary. So the duckbill clip really helps to ease that tension. Just in case you missed it the first time, when I'm braiding hair around my edges or on my edges, I place a duckbill clip on the current braid and an additional braid, so two braids, while I'm braiding the hair all the way down to the bottom. And that just helps to ease the tension around my edges. Then I like to snip the very tip of the braid where there's like one or two strands hanging, just to make it nice and neat. I'll follow the steps with the remaining braids, and then I'll show you my final step and then the final results. The final step is to dip your ends with boiling water. You want to be very careful in this step not to burn yourself. But this locks in each braid, ensuring that they do not unravel. And I am all done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't forget to comment down below in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and until the next video, bye.